As you work with various third-party Twitter add-ons like the ones discussed in this chapter, you're authorizing connections between their sites and your Twitter account. Twitter maintains a record of these authorizations on your connections page. You can view this page at any time to see what applications are accessing your Twitter account. Let's take a look here. I'm going to click the Settings button, and then we'll click the Connections button here. One thing I want to point out is that if you don't have any connections, this button will not appear. And when I click that, I basically see a trail of all the things that I've been doing to get Twitter to talk to other applications. I could see that I set up with TwitPic and TwitThat and Twitter Feed, WordPress.com. These are all things that I've set up. Now for each of these things, it tells you what it does, it gives you a link to the site, it tells you what time and date you actually set this thing up and what access it has. Does it have read and write access, or just read access, or just write access? Most of these are going to be read and write access. It also offers a link here that you can click to revoke the access. If you decide you don't want the application to access Twitter anymore, that's what you'd click. From that point forward, it would need to be reauthorized if it wanted access again. Now, it's important to keep in mind that not all third-party applications are legitimate. Some applications get access to your Twitter account and can then tweet without further notification. Other applications might be malware and perform more sinister functions. It's a good idea to be sure that an application is legitimate before granting access to Twitter. If you think you've authorized an application by mistake, there are two things you should do. First, revoke authorization for that application in the connections list, which you see here. All you need to do is just click the Revoke Access link, and it's revoked. Second, change your password. I explain how to do that in another video. It's also a good idea to review your connection list regularly and revoke access for any applications you no longer use.